Welcome to Defiance College's Office of Career Development. We are so excited to be part of your journey and support you along your career path. Welcome to the Career Development website. You can find our website by going to library.defiance.edu/career development. Welcome to the Office of Career Development's homepage. We have many great resources to share with you throughout this presentation. One new resource I would like to share with you at this time is what can I do with this major? You may be exploring your major, trying to make a decision on a direction. This is a great tool to use as you begin to develop some decisions along your 4-year career path. Two other resources I would like to share with you is the College Central Network and Optimal Resume. The College Central Network will help you in your job search, whether it be full or part-time employment, internships, and even seasonal work. Optimal Resume will help you in creating a professional resume as you begin your search for your job or career. Welcome to the Student Resource page on the Career Development website. I first would like to show you a link to creating a professional resume and cover letter. There are many great resources through this link for you to check out, as well as several documents at the bottom of the page that will help you in creating that professional resume. The Finding Employment and Internship tab will help you when searching for employment opportunities. Click on the links below to explore these valuable resources. Another important piece to the job search is social media and building your network. Make sure all your social media platforms are professional. If you are considering continuing your education, the Career Development Office has resources and information to assist you in the process. Check out the resources below on this tab for more information. We all have a common goal for you. We want you to be successful at Defiance College and in your career. As you begin your journey at Defiance College, click on Jacket Journey and follow this 4-year action plan to help you be successful. Now, click here to go back to the Career Development website. Now we're going to exit out of this tab and we're going to go back to the Career Development homepage. Now scroll down on the Career Development homepage and check out the 2019 checklist to help you in preparing for your fall semester. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn to build your professional network. We achieved a 91% placement rate with our class of 2018 graduates and look forward to assisting you in the 2019-2020 academic year. Thank you for viewing our tutorial. Here's our contact information, and we look forward to working with you this school year.